Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Just a quick little update from last year to this year with our $3.15 raise here in IBW 48 Portland, Oregon. This is what my check looked like last week, and I worked the same amount of hours, 37 hours last week and 37 hours this week. Well, a week ago. So 37 hours like the week of December 31st and 37 hours the week after January 1st. So this is what my check looked like last paycheck. Was $1,393.98 on 30 hours regular and 7 hours overtime, and it's still the same on the next check, 30 regular and 7 overtime. So as you can see, $1,393.98. Vacation is $92.91, so that goes back into my pocket because that's just a diverted part of our net pay right there. And then if you go back or forward is our new check. Hold on, hitting the wrong button here. So our new check is $1457.75 compared to the $1393. So on the calculator, that is $63.77 more per week, just on 37 hours. So hopefully, I just worked 48 hours this week, so I'll see that on Wednesday or Thursday when I get paid. So I'm going to compare that in another video coming up in about 3 or 4 days once Wednesday and Thursday rolls around. We're going to compare 48 hours to 48 hours with 40 hours normal pay and 8 hours overtime versus 40 normal and 8 hours overtime. So on the normal 48 hours, 40 regular and 40 or 8 hours overtime is $1,703 per week, and hopefully with the new check I'm hoping to bump that up to $1,800. So I'll keep you guys posted on that one. But as for this, does $3.15 on the check really matter? It doesn't hurt, but it's not the biggest raise in the world. $63.77 a week. That's basically my food budget for the week. So yeah, it does make a difference, but it's not substantially noticeable, but everything counts. So and also right here, the vacation went up from $92.91 to $98.01. So an extra $6 there as well. So you can add that in if you want to. So yeah, it's about $63.77 or about $70 because you'll also be getting that extra about $6 in the vacation fund. So anyways, the other fees went up a little bit. The working dues right there, 46 to 49, and then 40 to 42, and the PAC stayed the same at 55. And then over here in the taxes, it went up a little bit as well, 356 to 386. Social Security 144 to 151, 33 to 35, 194 to 206, 1431 to 1507, and then this county of 116 came out of nowhere. So yeah, you will see a little bit more money on the check, and does it make a difference over time? Yeah, I'm sure it will. If you do $63.77 without the extra vacation fund of $6 times 52, 52 weeks in the year, you'll see an extra $3,316.04 on the year. So yeah, it'll add up over time. So yeah. Anyways, just thought I'd give you a little comparison. 37 hours or 37 hours. I'll give you the 48 next week or in 4 days. So anyways, stay tuned for that one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching so much. God bless and have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. It'd help out the channel and I'd appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.